$20,000. That's how much went into this recent kitchen renovation. From tearing down walls to installing brand new soft close cabinets, these gorgeous quartz countertops, and the stunning island, this home is now ready for its new owner. Welcome to 868 Shell Lane, located in Longwood, Florida, convenient to Lake Mary, and with ease of access to the interstate, just a short drive to downtown Orlando. Zoned for Lake Mary High School and with an HOA of only $400 a year, contact me today for your private showing.